Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm so excited because we're going to be opening up the Chillin' Brew warmer, and it is so stinking cute. So if you like this video, please give it a like, and if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so today we are going to be unboxing the Chillin' Brew Scentsy warmer, and it is one that I wanted so bad. So let's get into it. All right. So we have another motivational quote from Dan Orchard, our interim CEO. It says, "In life, you build strength as you continue to do hard things. Over time, what initially took a lot of effort becomes easier and easier, and you become stronger as a result." That is so darn true, right? So I love that. Okay, so this is a mini warmer. The first thing you get is this little round grommet, I guess you would say. You get your light bulb, and you also get your plug-in. Now, the cool thing about Scentsy plugins is easily turned on and off from right there. But also, if your outlets are vertical or horizontal, either way, you can use this because it has a button here that you can turn this. So you can, if you have horizontal outlets, you can still use this warmer, which is fantastic. So then, let's go ahead. Oh my God, it's so cute. It is so cute. All right, so it says trick or treat on it. Let me move all the stuff out of the way. Okay. So it looks like a mug, and then it looks like a skeleton holding a brew sitting in here. So it'll look like a jacuzzi. So whatever color wax you put in there, whether it be green, orange, whatever, that's the color of his jacuzzi. Now this is where you get options. So if you want to plug it into your wall, let me get the scissors, hold on. If you want to plug it into your wall directly, like I think I'm gonna put this in my kitchen, and I think it's gonna go into the wall, but I may put it on the second option here. What you do is you take this little grommet and you put it right here over the top there. Then you take your light bulb, 15 watt, and you go ahead and screw that in. Then you take this and you screw that in as well. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Okay, so this is your second option. It's called a tabletop base, and it allows you to put this like seated somewhere. And you need to know whether you're using a ceramic or glass warmer because the screw-on part is different. So this one's ceramic. So we're going to go ahead and put it on there. And that's how it sits. Super cute. I'm actually going to turn my light off because this is annoying. There we go. Now you can see. So now we're going to go ahead and turn them on. So you can see the light coming from behind. And we also have colored bulbs. So you can put whatever color bulb you want. We have green, we have orange, we have purple, we have blue, we have red, and soon we're going to have pink. That's new news. Okay, so that is super cute. He looks like he's in a jacuzzi. I think it's adorable. I'm going to probably use orange or green wax in this because I just think that's adorable. I think it's adorable, but I don't know. Am I going to plug him in, or am I going to put him on a tabletop base? He looks so cute on the base. I might just put it on the base. I don't know. It's all about the base. So if you like Chillin' Brew, is available right now. Run, don't walk to my LANK and grab you one before this sells out, because these are only while supplies last. So you definitely need one of these. So let me give you a closer look. He's so cute. Anyway, I hope you're having a great day. Bye.